I woke up feeling optimistic and realized that, spring's really not here. Luckily, I had some leftovers. Not a whole lot to report here today, folks, on 40 Days of Sunshine. I'm trying to get these eggs to cook up, and I don't think that I've been very successful. Nope. So I'm kind of going hungry. Luckily, I pulled together some leftovers from previous days because there's no sun in sight, and we're supposed to get like 3 inches of snow tomorrow. Okay, 6 hours later, 40 days of sunshine or something like that. I still don't see the indications of steam, and these are warm, but not hot and not cooked. It's like I'm going hungry tonight, folks. I did manage to have some leftover quinoa from over the last weekend, so I'm staying sustained, but not a very exciting day. To go along with the quinoa, I had yesterday's roasted eggplant. Turned out to be a really nice lunch and dinner. Between eggplant and quinoa, there's plenty of nutrition.